Yau na zo muku da bacin rai na kalila na minti daya. So mutane, so dan kun gan Sadiya Haruna tana maganar nonuwa. Sadiya Haruna tana maganar goso. Sadiya Haruna, let me just put it in this way. Sadiya Haruna tana maganar batsa. So you take Sadiya Haruna as el iska. You think that whenever you see Sadiya Haruna, you can fuck the hell out of her, right? If you are thinking that, you are very stupid. What did I say? I said if you are thinking that, you are very, very stupid. Let me tell you, anyone you are seeing on social media and you are judging that person just because of his Instagram post, Sadiya, I said you are an illiterate. What did I say? I said you are an illiterate. Go back to school, okay? Go back to school. And let me tell you, whenever someone see me among my fans and he dare,